bafethu. Athi nginibuzeni ne, ngifaka under spot man. Since kuyini wonke umuntu athi it's your year.
Yeah.
What's your song of the year? Uzoqala ngapha ngaku right. Okay, what's the song of the year for 2025? OMS, we still backstage. Sheba kheke, vani nchata game no. Ngitshwere majita, I save in 2025. Yithi khona cast sisho njalo. Singizobuza ukuthi bazi introduce ukuthi abobani. I'm gonna start on my left. My dog.
I go by the name Kamelo Mwenese, aka Just Weld.
Yeah.
Producer behind Vuga, uziso kanjani Saga, uziso Mawengani.
Hey,
Ziphaya.
Ziphaya.
Never get no brag.
Ngapha on my right ngiphethenye ke. Hey, abafeint abantwana bayifikile. And imfishane akazi uyina kanjani imfishane kanje. My dog. Sure.
Great. Nandi.
Yeah.
Bafethu sikuthela you already know the story.
But you know the story. Hey, siyashela. Hey, say Machimos bafethu. Hey, such an honor kuba nani lana bafethu. Because we need topic for 2025, the whole of 2025.
Definitely.
Bafethu, and you are aware ukuthi nisave music scene 2025.
Ay, abona ke brag ke gawe. What's
Yeah.
Cause kiyetsa, no ka se ke gawe cause kiyetsa le no. Re le everyone le go support ile from day one.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. Shout out to everyone who support ile.
Alibutse ke. Why most wanted intanga album, title album.
Mamela, sithe masiqeda ukushaya ivuka sashaya izizwa kanjani sashaya isaka.
Yeah.
Bese ngasasithola isikhathi sokuchaya so blow my studio press.
Yeah.
Uyangizona?
Yeah.
Bese kwavela kwabakuningi wonke umuntu sekathi ya. Wazani we working whatever. Ayithola?
Yeah.
Saba most wanted.
Aniko grey nikhawuthi piano bafethu. Ni aware?
And myself frosted piano ngiyangitshela manga. Ayazi amachita they know.
Yeah,
Amachita.
No, bafethu, hey, album yenu ukuthi yashisa, ayina skip. Like over. So how can you describe 2025 you wena nje?
Brag na 2025 like honestly speaking like ke selemo se sena o se lebala nda wa ntsola. Cause vele ke le mo selo singense motho wa ntsola today. Wa bona today ke so ka 2025 like e ka nka speakela mo di mo ke sebe so. Ntsola. Ai fela sona ai. Modimo blesses any say brag. Yeah.
Okay bafethu. Athi nginibuzeni ne, ngifaka under spot man. Since kuyini wonke umuntu athi it's your year.
Yeah.
What's your song of the year? Uzoqala ngapha ngaku right. Okay, what's the song of the year for 2025?
Bafethu votelani uzizwa kanjani? You know the story.
Hey, biased. Okay, what am I doing?
Same.
Yeah.
Same.